I don't think people understand how simple natural remedies can be. If you have anxiety, chew 2 cloves for instant calm. For acne, apply turmeric on your skin daily. Can't sleep? 1 tablespoon of honey plus salt equals deep sleep. Are you bloated? Fennel seeds are great for reducing bloating because they help relax your digestive tract and reduce gas. After meals, chew about half a teaspoon of fennel seeds. This releases the oils that aid digestion. If you suffer from constant headaches, massage your temples with peppermint oil, and follow for more health tips.